Hello, my name's Diane IW. I'm the head of e-learning and I'd like to make my own welcome to you to the iLearn launch day for 2011. We've been doing iLearn projects now for a few years, and so we've seen some wonderful work happen. And one of the things that I've noticed is that some of the best projects have been based on teachers observing something that they teach in their class that doesn't work quite so well for all their students. Perhaps the students don't engage as well as teachers were hoping, or perhaps they have difficulty or struggle with a particular topic or unit. If you've observed that in your class, perhaps you're thinking, what if I were to use a different way, a new approach, perhaps using technology to develop 21st century skills and ways of working with our students. You might then be able to think about doing an iLearn project that will improve the learning for your students and also for you, because you're a learner, as are we all in this process. So have a think about what you could be interested in doing in your class and which tools and which skills you might work on. Perhaps you'd like your students to collaborate, perhaps using a wiki, and they might be comparing the kinds of work that they can do or developing skills using their mobile phones or iPads. Or robotics. There are many kinds of technologies that you could choose from. When you've thought about that strategy and planned what you might do, think also about what evidence you could collect to show what the learning outcome is. Perhaps you could collect some video of your students talking about their learning, or ask your colleagues to give you some feedback on what they think the learning outcomes have been, both for the students and perhaps for you too. That evidence can help you when you're reflecting on the whole process and deciding whether you might do this again, whether you would change it next time, and whether the iLearn project met the outcomes that you hoped for. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you've worked on in your classroom when we share this work at the end of the year. It's a great opportunity for teachers to show this action research and how e-learning can enhance the learning outcomes for students and for teachers in classrooms. So the very best wishes for the project, and I look forward to joining you all at the end of the year to see the wonderful work that happens in your classroom.